Julian Reichelt is a German journalist from February 2017 to October 2021. He was chairman of the editors-in-chief and editor-in-chief digital of Bild. Both of Reichelt's parents work as journalists. Reichelt attended the Gymnasium Othmarschen and graduated in the year 2000. From 2002 to 2003 he worked as a trainee for Bild, before completing his training as a journalist at the Axel Springer Academy. He reported from Afghanistan, Georgia, Thailand, Iraq, Sudan and Lebanon, partly as war correspondent, and did works as a culinary reporter in 2007. Reichelt served as the editor-in-chief of the Internet offshoot of Bild since February 2014 as successor to Manfred Hart, and was announced as the successor to Kai Diekmann as chairman of the editor-in-chief in February 2017. In August 2015, Reichelt opposed an accreditation agreement and in his position as editor-in-chief, accused alleged as fighters in a trial before the Higher Regional Court of Celle only to show their pixelated faces, as their guilt had not yet been proven. As a result, Reichelt was excluded as a reporter. The German press agency criticized the misrepresentation of Russian military operations in Syria by Bild.de under the title, Putin and Assad Bombs On, in February 2016. The reference was an agreement on a ceasefire within a week. The article was said to have gave an untruthful impression that the ceasefire that had just been decided has been broken by Russia, and was assessed to have expressed disapproval in accordance with Section 12 of the Compliance Regulation. Reichelt stated that because of this case, that the German press agency would make itself the stooge of the Kremlin propaganda. In March 2021, a report by Spiegel announced that Reichelt would have to face an in-house investigation. Among other things, it described a Reichelt system of institutionalized abuse of power and the exploitation of dependency relationships against young female employees. In response, Axel Springer released a statement explaining that it was investigating accusations of abuse of power in connection with consensual relationships and drug consumption at the place of work. On October 2021, the New York Times reported on testimony an employee gave investigators from a law firm hired by Axel Springer. "If they find out that I'm having an affair with a trainee, I'll lose my job," Reichelt told her in November 2016 according to her testimony. Just before the editor spoke those words, another woman at the paper had lodged a sexual harassment complaint against the publisher of Bild. But Mr. Reichelt's relationship with the junior employee continued. She testified, and he was promoted to the top newsroom job in 2017. Following the Times report, Reichelt was removed from his duties at Bild. In 2008, Reichelt was awarded for his report, "You Can Kill Us, But Never Defeat Us," from Afghanistan, published in two parts on 12 and 13 October 2007 in Bild, with the Axel Springer Prize for Young Journalists in the category Supraregional National Contributions. In October 2018, Reichelt was nominated for the Golden Potato Award from the New German Media Makers Association for particularly one-sided or unsuccessful reporting on aspects of the immigration society. Reichelt attended the ceremony but turned down the award, stating that the word potato has become an abuse of race and origin in elementary schools where migration is not a success story.